To download iOS launcher on Redmi A7 Pro, you can easily and quickly do this. But first of all, you have to go for a Google Play Store. You don't have to actually go for any unknown apps from a browser. Go for search and input that iOS launcher phrase. Now wait for this, and as you can see here, you can find a lot of different launchers. So what can I recommend you? Actually, two of them. The Lutin, this one, from the Lutin developer, iOS 26, so we will get this glass effect. Or you can get this one from Apps Gens. So what can I recommend you? To install both of them and check which one you like the most. So for example, what kind of the settings you like, how many ads there is, because it's free application, so it's quite obvious that we'll get some pop-up ads here. And now we can just simply open it. First of all, we'll get some pop-up notifications, like permissions, we have to accept everything. And now take a look. If we're gonna swipe down, it will be not here. So what we have to do? We have to simply go for make default launcher. Now you will get this ad, as I told you, but we can just turn it off after a few seconds. Probably in the right bottom corner or left or the right bottom corner. So we can click on this arrow, click X, and now click to set this as default. Wait for this. Switch for the default home application and go back right now. Now, as you can see, we can find this short information. Then we have to click OK right now. Click cancel. And now when you go back, click that we've got it. And as you can see, here you can find this iOS launcher. Of course, you can still download some other things, like we can find this old quick control center. So if you want to get this one from iOS, you have to go here and download the lock screen, the same for a control center. But that's basically it.